Are you a god gamer such as myself? Just too damn good at rhythm games? Well, I think it's time to make them a little bit harder. My name is Luke, and this is how to make a DDR-style dance mat for some Friday night funkin'. Okay, you need to start off with a piece of plywood. Give that plywood a lick of paint. Then stick some feet onto the plywood. I literally just used some little 3D printed feet and then just stuck them all with some VHB tape. And then after that, you're going to wrap some copper tape all the way around. So these are going to act as your foot pads, basically. Do that 4 times, 4 directions, 4 pads. Make sure to leave plenty around the other side because give you something to solder onto next. I also went ahead and got a scalpel to neaten up the lines a little bit, makes it look a bit tidier, and then just solder on a piece of wire to each of the 4 pads. And once you've done that, you can just simply plug them into some electronics and grab some code off the internet. Someone else's will do, just copy and paste. You're going to stick that into Arduino and then click upload, and like magic, you're a programmer. Congratulations. Once that's all done, you can just strap in because it's time for some Friday night funkin'. Yeah, I'm still terrible at these games, and I now look like a complete tit while playing them. So on every front of victory. For what it's worth, it does actually work really well. I mean, I didn't have any issues with latency or response, mostly user input error. And it's quite easy to make, so I'll stick a circuit diagram in the description and leave a comment if anything's not clear. Also, the soundtrack for Friday Night Funkin' is great, so I'll leave a link to the guy who made its Bandcamp. Yeah, whatever, goodbye.